Third game, Casa Studio versus KFS. Kuya, Lauron to Frost, inside, Frost, shot, Charlie Fern, Casa Studio sa board. Viviana, 2 points. So, Lauron, ball to cover the post, shot no good. Foul, KFS, balik back. Foul, number 7, Pino. First personal foul, first team foul. Darby crosses the line to the Vito. First free throw is good for Darby Frost. One of the two for Frost, rebound Yana. Cabral, Christoph Cabral, checks it out to his brother Carl. Shot, traveling violations rated by Carl Cabral, turnover for KFS. Kuya, wala ko yung start. Kuya to Pereras. Pereras, 1-2. Money for Pereras. 5-2 is the score in favor of Casa Studio. Carl, this is Safino. Kicks it out to the town. Let it fly for 3. No good. Move on, Pereras. Shot by Kuya. 2 points for Angelo Kuya. 5-point lead by KFS. Sorry, Casa Studio. Countdown. Let it fly for 3. No good. Rebound. Ross to Kuya. Kuya to Lauron. Lauron kicks it out to Pereras. Long 2. No good. Rebound. Carl Cabral. Carl. Pastrafino. Loses the ball. Scored by Kuya. To Frost. Frost. Patong Olympiada. Frost. Kaya to short. Rebound to foul. Aquino. Kick out to Cabral. Cabral. Shot. No good. Rebound Kuya. Kuya on the ball. Kuya. At the basket no good, but there's a foul. Foul on KFS. Number 18. Christoph Cabral. First personal foul. Second team foul. Angelo Kuya to charge the strike. Shooting 2 free throws. First free throw for KSD. 6-point lead by Casa Studio. Short of 2 for Angelo Kuya. Carl Cabral to Presto. Presto to Carl. 8 seconds to shoot. Contact for 3. Lauron, rebound, Lauron. Lauron to Sulisa. Sulisa to Kuya. Baseline jumper. No good, but that's a foul. Foul on KFS. Foul on number 0, Tom Gambulan. First personal foul, 13 foul. Subject. Perenes out. Contarine in for Casa Studio. Kuya shooting free throws. First one for Kuya is good. For 2 for Angelo Kuya. 11-2 is the score. 9.3 for Casa Studio. Cabral. Cabral. That's the play. No good. Rebound, Sulisa. Kuya. Kuya, Cristo. Kuya. Puts it up. Puts it in for Angelo Kuya. 11.3 now for Casa Studio. Cristo to the ball. Cristo. Loses the ball. Stolen by Sulisa. Turnover is really Casa Studio. Sorry. KFS shot by Kuya. No good rebound. Cristo to the ball. To Cuevas. High. One with the rock. Shot no good. But there's a foul. Foul on Casa Studio. Number 4, Patrick Doron, first personal foul, first team foul. Sabret. Kuya checks out. Kerin checks in. Sabret. Christoph Cabral out. Gautang in. First one is good for Cabral. One out of 2 for Cabral. Rebound, Sulisa. Sulisa to the ball. Lauron to cross. Loses the ball. Stolen by Cabral. Cabral. That's the basket. No good. Rebound, Sulisa. Sulisa to Lauron. Lauron, jumper, money for Patrick Lauron. Very just foul for Casa Studio. Yana for 3, no good. Rebound, Cabral. Gautang. That's the basket. Floater, no good. Offensive rebound. Aquino, taps it up to Cabral. Yana with the ball. Yana, drop pass. Miscommunication between Yana and Aquino. Crossed out. Cameron in for Casa Studio. Sulisa with the ball. Lauron checks it out. Head by Gautang. Stolen by Gautang. Cuevas with the ball. Rolling over by Gautang. Gautang to Cabral. Cabral. Yes, Kuya. The lead is 10 for Casa Studio. Sulisa, in trouble, drop pass to Lauron, blocked by Yana. 8 seconds to shoot. Eight to shoot for Casa Studio. Shot clock is off. Sulisa, 1-on-1 with Cabral. Sulisa, fadeaway jumper. Love it! That's the end pass passes to Rai Aquino. Turnover is stealing the best balik back. Kuya with the ball. 10-point lead by Casa Studio. Kuya for Trey. 13-point lead now for Casa Studio. Go foul. The foul for Trey. Yes, sir! 3 points to Robin Johnson. The lead is down to 10. Cameron will answer. No good. Rebound first. Put back is good for Dante Frost. That's a foul. Foul on number 7, Jason Aquino. Second personal foul, first team foul on Aquino. Bonus free throw is good for Frost. 13-point lead for Casa Studio. Crystal takes it out to Johnson for Trey. Short, rebound, Cameron. Jump ball, possession, Casa Studio. Cameron to Kuya. Kuya with the ball. Carrying inside pass is stolen by Aquino. Aquino to Gautam. Gautam to Crystal. Water in violation committed by Christoph Cabral. Turnover is piling up for very fast balik bayan back. Kuya, one-on-one of Gautam. To Frost. Mid-range jumper, no good. Rebound Cameron. Cameron with the ball. Pass to Frost. Fontanilla. One-on-one with Yana. Kuya with the ball. 3 seconds to shoot. Kuya loses the ball. Stolen by Gautam. That was a foul. Foul on 95. Kiring Sabret. First personal foul. First team foul. Casa Studio. Gautam winning on the ball. Carl to Gautam. Back to Carl. From Crystal. For Trey. No good. Rebound Kuya. Kuya with the ball. To Pereras. Pereras. Back to Kuya. Kuya for Trey. Short. Rebound Aquino. Aquino to Calabra. To Gautam. Gautam. Loses the ball. That was the foul. Blocking foul on Casa Studio Sabret. Foul on number 2. Hands foul on number 2. First personal foul, first team foul. Kuya first personal foul. Second team foul. At the line, shooting two is Robin Gautam. First one for Robin is short. No good in the first line. One out of 2 for Robin Gautam. The lead is strong for Casa Studio. Solisa with the ball. Solisa inside pass to Frost. Frost in trouble. Kicks it out to Kuya. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Kuya for play. Yes, sir. Kuya to take the buzzer. 15-point lead now for Casa Studio. Carl to Joaquin. To Gautam. Gautam at the basket. No good, but there's a foul. Foul on Casa Studio number 26. Dudley Frost. First personal foul, third team foul. Robin Dalton travels to the free throw line for 2 free throws. First one is no good on Robin Dalton. One on two for Robin Dalton. The lead is down to 14. Pereira to Kuya. Back to Pereira. Solisa with the ball. Solisa screen by Frost. Solisa to Cameron. Baseline jumper. No good. Rebound Aquino. Jim. That's the basket. Bam! The lead is down to 12. 3 minutes and 15. In the second quarter. Solisa, pass deflected. Stolen by Buchanan. Kyle Cabral, layup no good. Rebound Cameron. Stolen by Christoph Cabral. Christoph Cabral. Kyle kicks it out to Downtown. Let it fly for Trey. Short. Rebound Cameron. To Kuya. Kuya. There's a foul. Pushing foul on KFS number 0, Cabral. That's 2 on Cabral, 2 on KFS Sabret. Cameron checks out. Patrick Lebron checks in for Casa Studio. Solisa with the ball. To Kuya. To Frost. Now against last goes Pereira. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass inside the post. Layup is no good rebound. Aquino but there's a foul. Pushing foul on Casa Studio. Number 26, Dudley Frost. That's 2 on Frost. Warning penalty, Casa Studio. Cabral to Yana. Back to Cabral. Downtown with the ball. Downtown. Kicks it out to Cabral. 6 seconds to shoot. Good is the ball for Solisa. Kuya with the ball against Cabral. Layup is good for Angelo Kuya. Last 2 minutes in the second quarter. The lead is 14. Aquino with the ball. Aquino shot. Aquino puts it in. The lead is 12. Solisa to Pereira. Long two for Pereira. No good rebound. Yana. Yana to Crystal. Crystal to Downtown. Downtown. Step back play. Yes, sir! 3 points for Robin Downtown. The lead is 9. Solisa with the ball. Pass to Lauron. Lauron. For Trey, number 3 on Frost. Frost saves. Put back 5. Frost is good. 11-point lead by Casa Studio. Carl Cabral with the ball. To Yana. Yana back to Carl. Top of the key Trey. No good. Rebound. Lauron. Lauron in trouble. Stolen by Crystal. What's up with three? Back-to-back 3 for Robin Dalton. The lead is 8. Solisa looking for a teammate. To Pereira, back to Solisa. Solisa. Jumper. In and out, rebound, Christoph Cabral. Shot clock is off. There's a foul. Penalty rep. Foul number 19. Solisa, penalty rep. First personal foul on Solisa penalty. Free throws for Robin Dalton. That's the end of the first half. First one is no good for Tota. First one is no good. One out, two for Robin Tota. Batting the lead to 7 for KFS. Official score 28 for Casa Studio, 21 for Casa Studio for KFS Balimbali Lakas. Okay, second half, third quarter. Third quarter possession belongs to KFS Balimbali Lakas. First off with the ball. First off to Ron. Back to Cabral. No time for play, short rebound clean. Kuya Palangani go down. Layup is no good, but there's a foul. Pushing foul on KFS. Number 2, Robin Gotham. First personal foul, first team foul for KFS. Angelo Kuya at the line for the shooting post. First free throw is good for Angelo Kuya, giving Casa Studio an 8-point lead. Layup by Gotama, the shooting put back by Aquino is good. Kuya is the last off to Lauron. Lauron jumper, no good rebound. Kidding, but there's a foul. Pushing foul on Casa Studio, number 95. Julius Kirin, second personal foul, first team foul. Cabral for good, rebound. Sabret. Kuya with the ball. Kuya against Gotham. Sub-second to shoot. Turnover by Catalina, stolen by Cabral. Gotham, one with Kuya. Area is good for Robin Gotham. 5-point lead by Casa Studio. Catalina, to Kuya. There's a foul. Foul on number 33, Ron Cuevas. First personal foul, second team foul. Sideline inbound for Casa Studio, fresh 14. To Casa Studio. Kuya with the ball. left. Basket is good for Angelo Cuya. Point is good, plus a foul. Foul number 2, Robin Downtown. Second personal foul, Sabret. Third team foul. Sub. Cuevas out. Christos Cabral in for KFS. Chance for Angelo Cuya for a 3-point play. Three-point play completed by Cuya. One shooter is good. Cabral for play. No good. Rebound. Kevin. Lauron. Back to Cuya. Cuya. Back pass to cross. Baseline jumper. Ten-point lead by Casas Julio. Cabral with the ball. Yana to Gautam. Back to Gautam. Gautam drop pass. Cuya to cross. Layup is good. Rebound. Christoph Cabral. Christoph to Carl. Carl to Yana. Layup is good. Timeout. Casas Studio. Three minutes and 28 in the last quarter and the third quarter. Solisa with the ball. 8-point lead by Casas Julio. Solisa to Canahan. Canahan for try. No good. Rebound by Serenas. Serenas jumper, no good. Rebound Aquino. Aquino push on the pace. Aquino goes to close. Layup is good. 35-29 in favor of Casas Julio. Solisa, sprint by force. Solisa, looking for a teammate. Pass to Pulgana. Back to Solisa. 6 seconds to shoot. Cross the ball. 3 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. Solisa for 3. No good. Rebound Aquino. Aquino with the ball. Aquino to Gautam. To Cabral. Christoph, driving baseline. Christoph, pass to Cabral. To Gautam. Christoph, for Trey. No good. Rebound from Cabral. Foul to Aquino. Aquino comes to foul. Foul on Casas Julio. Last 2 minutes of the third quarter. Number 26, Dirty Frost. That's 3 on Frost. Second team foul on Casas Julio. Baseline inbound for KFS. Yana to Gautam. To Carl. 10 seconds to shoot. Carl. Left the lane. For Cabral. Solisa with the ball. 1 minute and 30 in the third quarter. Solisa to Pereras. Pereras, Rado Peñano. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Solisa, closer, and 20 for Solisa. Kaucha with the ball. 6-point lead by Casa Studio. Carl to Cristo. Cristo back to Carl. Carl attacks the basket. Ladies play for Casa Brown. The ladies score again for Casa Studio. 14 seconds on the red clock, 19 for the shot clock. Solisa, top of the three. Solisa for 3 points. The lead is 7 for Casa Studio. Kausan, top of the three. No good. Rebound. Cross. Chances at the wrong guy. Aquino loses the ball with over 5. LeBron. Shot by LeBron. And boom. Casa foul. Foul on Casa Studio number 19. Solisa. Vin Solisa, second personal foul. Third team foul. That's the end of the third quarter. But Christoph Cabral, chance for a 3-point play. Bonus field was completed by Christoph Cabral. 3-point play succeeded. The lead is down to 4. That's the end of the third quarter. Okay, this is the last and final quarter of the ball game. Casa Studio holding on to a 4-point lead. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Casa Studio. Solisa with the ball. Solisa, one to one with Prepas. Solisa in trouble. Moving for a teammate. Foul on white, number 9. Christoph stepping in bounds for KFS. Kuyan, fakes, jumper, good rebound, Aquino. Cabral with the ball. Cabral for Trey. No good. Rebound. That was a foul. Foul on rebound play. Foul on number 95. Julius Kirin. That's 4 on Kirin. Fourth personal foul. 17 foul. 16 on the shot clock for Casa Studios. Aquino loses the ball. Scored by Kuya. Kuya against Yana. Yana is good for Kuya. The lead is 8. 7 minutes and 45 in the last quarter. Carl to win. Cuevas. Back to Carl. To Yana. Yana. Short. Rebound. Guerreras. Guerreras. Score. Kuya. Yana for a good rebound from Cabral. Cabral against Calhoun. To Gautam. Gautam all alone for Trey. Bang! 3 points. Robin Gautam. The lead is 5. 7 minutes and 6 seconds. In the last quarter. Solisa. To Kuya. Kuya for Trey. Bang! Kuya with the answer. Cabral. To Yan. Gautam. Gautam takes it out to Cuevas. Cuevas by the baseline. Back to Gautam. What is a foul? Sublet. Foul number 2. Angelo Kuya. 2 on Kuya. Third team foul on Casa Studio. Sublet. Timeout. Casa Studio. That's the first timeout of Casa Studio. Timeout celebration. 1 for Casa Studio. 2 for PFS. 6 minutes and 17 on the fourth quarter. Way back to the ball game. 14 on the shot clock on PFS. 5 minutes and 17 in the last quarter. Cabral to Christoph. Back to Gautam. Gautam. Fakes. Back to Cabral. Cabral to Yana. Yana for Trey. No good. Rebound. Back to Cabral. Pushing foul on number 2. Additional referees, third and Kuya, 1 for penalty, Casa Studio. Press 14 for Casa Studio. Gautam to Aquino. Yana, mid-range, cover, rebound Cabral. Put back na Aquino. Put back by Aquino is good. The lead is 6. Four minutes and 30 in the last quarter. Solisa, inside Castellanas, get out to Kuya. 10 seconds to shoot. Kuya, no turnover. Rebound Aquino. To Gautam. Gautam against Solisa. Runner is good for Robin Gautam. The lead is 4. Solisa. Guerreras, long 2, no good. Rebound, Yana. Yana to Gautam. Gautam 2 on 3. Christopher to Carl. Carl for Trey. The lead is down to 1. 3 minutes and 35 in the last quarter. Patrick, Velanza with his one play. In and out, play on Aquino. Aquino to Gautam. No touch to Yana. To Cabral. Cabral again for Trey. No good. Rebound. Aquino taps it to Cabral. Cabral to Nautan. Nautan for Trey. Short. Rebound. Cabral. Cabral for Cabral. Rebound. Pereras to Kuya. One on Yana. Shot by Kuya. That's a foul. Points good for Kuya plus a foul. Foul number 28. Yana. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 minutes and 39 in the game clock. This is the last quarter of our third game between Casa Studio and PFS Balikbayan Bucks. Chance for Kuya for a 3-point play. 3-point lead for Casa Studio. Bonus paper is good. 3-point play completed by Kuya. 4-point lead by Casa Studio. Cabral. Bounce pass to Dotan. To Yana. Yana loses the ball. Sorry by Kuya. Lose the ball number for PFS. Pereras to Solisa. Solisa to Kuya. Pereras, long two. In and out. Rebound by Pereras. Saves it to the wrong guy. Stolen by Yana. But there's a foul. Penalty ref. Foul on Casa Studio. Kuya, that's 4 on Kuya penalty. Kuya 4th personal foul penalty. Robin Gonzalez at the line shooting 2 free throws. First free throw for Doltan. Nothing but net. The lead is not going to 3. Chance for KFS to inch closer. 2 out of 2 for Robin Doltan. Clutch free throws for Robin Doltan. Last 2 minutes. Solisa. Jumper, no good. Rebound, Cabral. Cabral, alaban ng Solisa. Swing. Shot. No good, but there's a foul. That's 5 on Kuya. Kuya, took it out. 5 personal foul on Kuya. What's the verdict, Rick? Foul on number 20 for 2, Kuya. Technical foul on Kuya for slamming the ball on the forward. So technical free throw and then 2 shots for Cabral. Technical shot, technical free throw for Robin Doltan. 1 minute and 48 in the last quarter. Technical free throw is no good. Two free throws for Cabral. First free throw is no good for Cabral. Still a 2-point lead for Casa Studio. 1 minute and 48 in the last quarter. Plenty of time left. 1 out of 2 for Cabral. The lead is 1. 50-49 in favor of Casa Studio. Solisa the ball. Manning the point for Casa Studio. Pereras to Solisa. To Cross. Cross in trouble. Campo. Possession. PFS. Possession now pointing to the PFS direction. 1 minute and 33 in the ball. 1 point lead by Casa Studio. Close game. First up to Yana. Nautan. Let it fly for Trey. Short. Rebound cross. Cross to the sling ng road. Wala ang Crystal. Shot! No good, but there's a foul. Foul on Crystal Cabral. Number 18, Crystal. First personal foul, 2 on KFS. At the line, shooting 2 free throws is Patrick Lauron. What a game we have here. First one to Patrick, wide left, no good in the first try.
Andre Hauser.
102 for Patrick Lauron. The lead is 2 for Casa Studio. Cabral, carried by Galera. Galera, the second for Cabral. Five pointer, Patrick Lauron. 1 minute exactly remaining in the ball. 51 all is the score. Solisa for Galera. Galera to Solisa, 10 seconds to shoot. Solisa, manokan ng Cabral. Pass to Lauron. 4 seconds to shoot. Lauron for 3. No good. Rebound Carreras. That's the team for Casa Studio. Carreras to cross. To Lauron. 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 Uses the Carreras. 2 points for Patrick Lauron. Cabral. Lauron and 3. No good. Rebound Carreras. There's a foul. Foul on KFS. Who's foul left? Number 18. Christoph Cabral, second personal foul. 22 on the game clock, 21 on the shot clock. It's just a 2-point lead for Casa Studio. That's the last timeout of Casa Studio. Last timeout of Casa Studio. Let's go back to the ball game. Backward inbound for Casa Studio. 22 on the game clock, 21 on the shot clock. So there's 1 second. 1 second left on the shot clock of KFS. 53-61. Lauron to cross. Cross to Patrick. Patrick. Shot. No good. Go down to Cabral. Cabral. Block by post. Possession will stay with KFS. 6 on the shot clock. Or game clock rather. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. Preston will on the ball. Preston to Gautam. 5 seconds to shoot. Gautam to Carl. Carl for 3. No good. Rebound pass. That's the end of the ball game. Casa Studio winning a close one. Official score 53 for Casa Studio, 51 for KFS. Good game, guys.